We are on Airbus A330. The engine model number is Rolls Royce Trent 700. So during this engine maintenance, we find damage, we replace the electrical items such as this harness or individual wire. We also replace the clamp when we find it broken, or we replace the connector, the contact inside, or the backshell or the bush. So in today's video, I will show you how to find part number of all these electrical items from engine manual. Just for example, take any random plug. We are in fan area, and I'll take up physically one fin number which is 4005 Kilo Sierra Bravo. I'll also take the wire number which is 1 Sierra 020. So suppose we have to change this complete harness, we'll check the part number for the harness or this individual wire. We'll also check part number for this connector, the contacts inside, the back shell which is at 90 degree, and the bush inside. We'll check how the harness has to be routed exactly as per the engine manual. We'll check each and every clamp positions with the diagram. We'll also check part number for the hardware or for these clamps. We'll check where the harness is going, the other end of the harness, complete detail part number of the other end connectors, and the back shell and all assemblies. Traditionally, what we do is we take the blank paper, we refer our manual, we find out part number, IPC reference, all the detail, and when we write down randomly over the blank paper. Now at the time of installation, and especially at the time of writing the tech log and ordering the item, we find it very difficult to locate each and every detail because it is written randomly. So what I did is I made a tabular form, a template kind of thing over here, so that we know where to find which detail what we are noting it down. So this is the heading. Here I have made an equipment 2, the area where we found the damage or the area where we need to replace anything. Okay, so this is equipment 2. This is the connector part with fin number, part number, IPC reference, item number. In this connector there is a back shell and bush. The part number will write down here with item number and IPC reference. Contacts will write over here. Okay, and this side I have made from equipment, from where this wire is coming from, for this harness, from where this bundle and wire is coming. So I have made same entries over here for the connector, for the contacts, and for the back shell and bush. In the middle I have made interconnection. So in this box we will write down bundle or harness, name, fin number, part number, IPC reference, and item. And over here I have made a wire number, means individual wire number inside this harness, inside this bundle. So I have made wire number over here. We'll write down the position in concerned plug, the wire or cable part number, IPC reference, and item number. IPC reference for backshell and bush. Now the lower part is just for reference. This is for the connector, for backshell, for contacts, for wire number. Okay, each part number is made of different details, so you can refer from here. And these are the quick reference for replacement of backshell, for harness, for terminal lug, for harness tying, everything. The common tool part numbers and consumables. Okay, so first what we'll do is we'll just write down what we found physically. We'll write down over here the fin number. What we found is, this is the fin number of the connector what we found, and we found also the wire number which was 1 Sierra 020. Okay, so this is the wire number. It is still missing, the detail are missing. Now first what we'll do is we'll find out the name of this connector, then we'll see from where this harness is coming. We will also find the fin number for this harness and the name of the harness. Okay, then we will find later on contacts, backshell, bush of everything, and then also the wire number, cable part number, and this IPC reference. This is our AMM. First thing we'll do is we'll select our aircraft as per the applicability. We'll select as per MSN, and we'll also note down the engine model number, and then we'll click on OK. Now we'll do is we'll just find the connector for which equipment this connector belongs to. So I'll go in fin, I'll write the fin number what we found physically, and then I'll click on search. I'll go on removal installation or IPC, anywhere I can go. I just need the equipment name. So here you can see it is removal of starter control valve. So I know that the connector belongs to starter control valve. So in this equipment 2 name section I'll write starter control valve. Okay, now I'll go back again. I'll go in the fin, again I will type. Now this time I will go in aircraft wiring list, in that also extended wire list. Okay, in this I will click on the hyperlink which belongs to Bravo, KS Bravo, connector KS Bravo. So now it is giving me the detail from where to where this wire is going, and it is giving me as per the service bulletin. So I'll just concern with the simple one. You can select as per your service bulletin carried out on the engine. It is giving me this wire. Will see the wire number. So we have only 2 wire in this cable. Okay, Bravo means blue and Romeo means red. So first I will write it down, Bravo 20 and Romeo 20. So if you see the wire number over here, I have given you the quick reference. These are the identification sleeve till here which we found physically, okay. And this 001 which is cable number, we have 020 the cable number. This Romeo means over here red, blue means Bravo means blue, okay. So we have only 2 wire in the cable, and this is the gauge, 20 is the gauge. Now we will see from where this wire is coming. It is coming, we can see over here, it is coming from 4000 KS. So I will write down equipment from fin number, which is KS, and the connector number is JA7, Juliet Alpha 7, okay. Now we'll see only Bravo plug, Bravo wire number. The color is blue, okay. It from this connector Bravo pin number is 04. You can see the pin number, it is 04. So I'll write it down 04, and on other side it is coming from 400 KS, connector JA7, and pin number is 43. So position I will write 43, okay. And for Romeo I'll do the same thing. It is coming from 01, and it is in this plug, it is 42. Okay, so this much detail we got it. I'll just close this. Now we need one more detail. You can also see this 4000 KS is what. I'll just show you. We can just put it in fin 4000 KS. We'll do the same thing. We'll click, and then we'll see the removal installation task, and we'll note down the name of that equipment. Okay, removal installation task. So it is EEC. Okay, it is coming from EEC. Now I'll go back. I need a bundle number, bundle fin number. So I'll just write down the same thing. We'll go on Bravo. Now I will click the hyperlink for this wire number. Okay, you can click either of the wire number. I'll click on blue. Now see the wire identification. This is blue 20, gauge is 20, and the bundle number, the bundle fin number, it is giving me 4416 KS. Okay, so we got the fin number for the bundle, not for the wire, for the bundle. Okay, now the lower part, it is also giving me termination detail on connector 400 KS, which is JA7 connector. The termination is 43, and the contact part number. So here they are giving me contact part number on each end. Okay, we can write down it on our detail sheet, but still it is better to take part number from engine manual. Okay, this much detail is enough for us. Now all other detail we will refer to our engine manual, because our AMM is not 100% integrated with engine manual. Engine manual will give me more detailed, more accurate, and also the alternate part numbers for all this items. Okay, so for AMM it is enough. We'll go to engine manual now. Here is our engine manual for Rolls Royce. First we'll do model selection. In our case it is 772 Bravo-60. Okay, now I'll just give you a little brief about this manual. It is divided into separate manuals. Our concern is with the CMM, Components Maintenance Manual for electrical harnesses and cable, the IPC, Engine Illustrated Part Catalog, and this engine manual. Now in this engine manual, in our subchapter, which is 72, in subchapter we have this harness replacement procedure. Okay, this LP, core engine, and this clip positions. So this will be our fan area, which is zone 1, and this is the core area. Okay, so we'll go in this for our replacement of the harness. This is our AMM procedure for replacement of the harness. Okay, in IPC subchapter 71, they have given us the 51 and 52 electrical harness as per fan area and as per core area. Okay, zone 3. And the CMM for electrical harness in subchapter 70-00, this page block 1001. This is the assembly procedure. This is the standard procedure which we'll be using for installation of contacts, for backshell, for connectors, for repair. Everything will be included over here. Okay, as per AMM, they have given this in separate subchapters. If you go in 70, in this power plant standard practice for wiring, so here they have given for each and every item, they have given the subchapters. Okay, this connectors, insert arrangement, harness lacing, contact replacement, shielded wire replacement, everything. So I've mentioned the same all AMM over here in this tabular form. This is the AMM procedure, this is the common procedure from the engine manual. Now in our case, we'll first search for this harness 4416 kilo Sierra. Okay, the name of the harness, the IPC reference, and the part number will search from here, and even the installation procedure. So we'll go in our engine manual. We'll switch off this. Okay, we'll go in engine manual, subchapter the 72. Low pressure compressor case electrical harness data. Okay, so here they are giving us all the detail. The clip position will come back this on later. we'll search for our pin number, which is 4416, this one. Okay, so this is our harness name. We'll just write it over here, LP harness, EEC fan case 1 and channel D. This we need so that we can find the other details. Okay, now here they are giving you some little schematic about how the installation will be done and the details. If you click over here, this is our EEC and this is our plug, which is 4000KS Juliet Alpha 7. Okay, this is our harness. There is a branches going over here in junction box TRU. One is going here in sheet 2. We'll refer to sheet 2. Okay, here you can see it is coming from here and going to over this starter valve. This is our starter valve 4005KS Bravo. Okay, and these are the clip number, means the clamp, what they call is clip numbers. This 2724, 2203, 2204. Okay, these are the clip numbers. All these are the clamps which will be installed on engine. So just remember this number, and all this, the branches, all everything as per the SB. And this is our IPC reference for this harness. So I'll write down the IPC reference over here, which is 71-51-14, and this is sheet number 1, item number 2. Okay, for this bundle part number, we have to refer 002 of sheet 1. So what I'll do, I'll just click on this. It will open up the IPC. The same you can go from here, the IPC manual, part catalog, and then electrical harness. Okay, this one. These are the figures for our harness. Okay, so this we open from this hyperlink. This over here. Now this is showing you the actual diagram, the actual how the physically the harness will be installed. Okay, now 002, these are the part numbers. So you can see over here the loom part number as per the SB. So whatever SB has been carried out, pre-SB, post-SB, we have to select part number over here while ordering the item. So what we got, for example, we have got 25279. Okay, we can confirm it from here. Now this is giving the physical location. It will also give you the clip number. Okay, so you can find the clip number, how the harness will be installed. You can see this 2012, 2052. This will be useful for installation. So this is the clip what we saw. I'll just zoom it in. This is our starter valve. Okay, this is our starter valve, our cable 2203, 2204. Okay, now for this part number, we'll see the item number 310, 318. Okay, so we'll just search for our part number 310, which is clip, the clamp. This is the part number. 318, this is the part number. Now for the hardware for this one, maybe it will be attached with some different hardware which is shown in another IPC reference. Okay, for this clip 2150, these are the part numbers. This may be the bolt, the washer, the nut, everything. 283. Okay, so this is the bolt. 284 is the washer, 286 is the clip as per the SB, and then 290 is the nut. Okay, now how this will be installed physically, the orientation and everything. So we have to suppose this, will just write it down over here somewhere. Clip 2150, 2204, 2203. So I'll show you how physically it will be installed, because there is particular angle, particular which clip will go first, which will be go later on, where the nut will be the position, everything they will show over here. So what we'll do is so this one is an IPC and the detail. I'll go up. Now here they are giving me the reference for the clip positions. So let us see first what is 2150. They have given me the number over here. This same thing you can see from here. You have to go in engine manual, and there here it is the engine clip position. Okay, you're giving me the position, but we have the hyperlink, so we go from here. 2150. So 2150 will come in this task. Okay, 2150. Now I'll search for my clip, which is 2150. Okay, 2150. So they are giving me bolt, washer, clip, and this part number reference, and then they will give me the figure. So this 4416KS, I'll just see the figure how it will be installed. So here you can see this is our harness 4416 Kilo Sierra. So this is the clip, this is the washer, the bolt will come from above, and there is a bracket, and the nut will go from below. Okay, now this figure is not as per the north, not a 12 o'clock position, like it can be tilted as per the engine. So this is just one confusing part. It is not as per the 12 o'clock position. Just remember, it can be means the orientation may be different, but the relevant, the respective position as per the clip, the washer, the bolt, it will be like this only. It has to be installed exactly like this. Okay, now we'll search for another clip. We'll take 2204 or 2203. 2203. Let's take this one. So I'll search for my clip 2203. Okay, I'll click on this. So here you can see in our IPC there was only part number for our clip, this one, which is 4416 harness. This is the clip. Okay, so it will be installed with two brackets, the bolt, the washer, everything. Okay, so it has to be installed like this. And now for finding the part, this in our IPC they didn't give us the part number for all this bolt, washer, everything, because it is coming in another sub chapters. So here you can refer it, you can click it, and then you can get the part number for particular bolt, washer. This is the item number 202, 203, 180. Okay, 201, 203, like that. This is the bolt, washer, everything. Okay, so this is the clip position, everything. This is our harness. Okay, so all this clip will have different location, the orientation, everything has to be found out as per our IPC, and the clip positions detail. See, each and every clip they will be giving us how the harness will be installed as per the clip position, everything. Okay, now we'll find out the part number detail for the connector. We will confirm for the contact. We'll also see the back shell. So finding part number for all the pins, connector, and other detail will go in CMM, Component Maintenance Manual of Electrical Harness and Cable. Okay, this is general procedure which I told you before. Now this time we'll go in 71, power plant, and subchapter 51 for fan harness. So here our harness name is harness EC fan case 1 channel B. So we'll search for EC channel number 1 and channel B, this one. Okay, this is our harness. We'll go in assembly, subchapter this 14 and page block 1001. Okay, assembly, assemble the loom. We'll click on this. So this will give you each and every detail. This is our part number 25279. Okay, we'll come down. This general data they are giving. We'll come down. Now the assembly of EC lane B fan case 1 connector. This is our connector from other side, from where our wire is coming. So these are the figures. We have to click and search for our part of this fin number 400, but this is 71. We'll switch off another one. Yeah, this one. So this one is 4005 KS Bravo, this part of starter valve. Okay, so we can confirm it. Our wire number is 1S020 Bravo and Romeo 20, this one. So suppose we are replacing this part, this cable. Okay, not the harness, only one cable. So it is shielded, which is going to the back shell. Here also it is going to the back shell. And this, now here you can see the pins not used. So 5, there is no pin, we have to put blanking over here. All the cables are A unless identified differently. So here there is no identification. So we have to check this cable key letter is A. Here they have mentioned C. Okay, so the part number will differ. So nothing is there, that means it is A, by default A. So here you can see IPC figure and item number. So for A it is figure number 3 and the item number is 104. So I'll just write down over here figure 3 and item is 104 for our cable. Okay, this is important. So we'll go back, we got the figure. Now select the cable. So here you can see figure 3 item 104. We have to click on this. So it will give me another diagram and the IPC reference. You can open, this was a hyperlink, you can open from here also. You have to go in IPC, you have to go in power plant, then our harness, lane B, channel 1, and this is 1, 2, 3. So we'll open this 3. So same figure will come up. For finding the bundle, we were going in figure A. So this will give you all the location, the clip position, what we see before. Figure 3 is giving us, as per the assembly procedure, we have to figure 3, this is figure 3, and then the item number is 104. So this is our 104. So our cable part number is this one. Okay, here also they will give us as per the SB. So here you can see the this effectivity, this alpha alpha to alpha mic, alpha alpha to alpha mic. So what this alpha alpha to alpha mic means, all this SB you can use the alpha 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 bravo. This is as effectivity as per the SB. So this alpha alpha to alpha mic means in any of this we can use this 104. This is uniform 440176, or even this one. This is the spare. Okay, so I will write it down over here, the cable part number, which is uniform 440177. So I got the part number for the cable which I will be using or ordering. They are giving me the alternate also. This is the alternate if we want to use alternate one. Now we'll see over here the next thing, the subtask for assembly template. Now identification sleeve, we have to click over here for procedure how to install the identifications. We'll go on next step. So here they're telling us install aluminum contact pin. Okay, for green wires, we don't have green wires. For chromal contact pins, white wires, we don't have white wire, we have red and blue wires. So this for other cable, you have to refer this install contact pin, this one, and reference they are giving us for this subtask for installation of the contact pins. Okay, so I'll click on this. The figure number is 4 and 008. Figure number 4, what I said, figure number 4 and item number 008. Okay, so I'll click on this hyperlink. Now 008, so this is our contact part number. Okay, so as per the pre-SB, post-SB, we have to select. You can see part number segregation over here. 30 stand for specification of the temperature. This Papa stand for contact pin, which is male. 20 stand for contact size, barrel size, and Bravo Charlie is contact material, which is beryllium copper. Okay, so this is the same part number what we got in AMM. You can see here the figure. I'll just zoom it in. Okay, so this is our connector. 003 is, let us see what is 003, which is connector. So we got the connector part number from here. I'll write it down over here. ESC1106246160. So all this segregation, it is as per this. You can see this is class, which is SE is firewall plus EMI finger. 6 means this is the plug. Contact arrangement 24 and 61. Okay, so if you go in this reference, you will see the figure, how this is arranged, how is the location, the position, and the pin locations. So this is the Papa. We have the pin over here. Okay, the male pin. This is 6 is the polarization, the keyway, and 0 means this is standard, it is not wire locked. Okay, so this is the part number for the connector on EEC. The IPC reference what you can give over here is the same from where we are taking the part number. Okay, now the second is 08 is the contact. 009 what is this, is the pin. Okay, so this as per the SB we have to install the pin. In our case it is 008. 10 is also the pin, and now this 992, let us see, this is the plug for the ceiling. So whichever contact, the pin where we are not installing the wire, we have to plug it with this ceiling plug, the blanking. Okay, so this side is done. We'll go back to our AMM. This, all this they're telling Bush, Backshell, yeah, the Backshell part number. So we can click on this for the Backshell, which is 700. We'll just see this 700 and 315. So 315 is the bush which will be installed in the Backshell. This is the part number, so we can just write the bush part number over here. And 700 is the clamp part number, that is the Backshell with the clamp. You can see 75 eco 24. Okay, so the Backshell I have given over here all the detail for the Backshell. This is 7, which is self-locking. Number 5 means it is straight, the connector is straight. If it is 90 elbow, it will be 6. If it is 45, it is 7. So it is straight connector. E stands for the stainless steel coupling nut with aluminum body, and the 24 is the shell size. Okay, 24, this one, the shell size 24. So we got the part number for the Backshell for this connector. So this side is done. Now let us check the starter valve side. So we'll just switch it off, we'll go back. So this side is done. Now in this harness, in this whole bundle, all this part, this connector pin number they have given. So we'll just go for our connector, which is 4005. Here it is 4005 Bravo. Okay, so this is the figure, same figure it will open. Okay, so as you know, we have already selected the cable, which is 104. Subtask for the Sloom template, then we'll see the identification sleeve. Now the socket, so we'll install the socket. We can confirm the part number, it is figure 4, and item number is 83. So item number is 83. We'll just confirm it with what we got in AMM. As you know, this is the S, it means it is socket. We'll go back. Socket is done, the ceiling, bush and Backshell, connector, and the ceiling plug. So we can click on anything. All this they have given the item number. We'll just, okay, here you can see 78, which is the connector part number. So let me write connector part number. So as per this, the connector part number, it is firewall, then it is 6, which is plug, this contact arrangement, this 10 and 05. This is having socket, and this is keyway polarization, and this is 0 means standard, there is no wire locking. Okay, this is the part number. You can write the same reference for the IPC. Figure is 4 item 28. Now what we need more is 83, which is this 83 is the contact. Okay, we already got the contact part number. And 992 is the sealing plug. Okay, so sealing plug on pin number 5, it has to be sealed. Now we'll check the clamp, backshell and the bush. We'll click on this. Now here we are getting this alpha is for the backshell and bravo is for the bushing. So 735. This is the clamp part number. So let me write ESC 76 eco 10. Okay, this one. So we now know the 7 is the self-locking, 6 is for this 90 degree, which should be like this, the backshell, and eco stand for the stainless steel coupling nut with aluminum body, and this 10 is our shell size, which is same as mating AC connector shell size, which is this one. The connector shell size is 1010. Okay, same will be here. The item number for this is 735, and the IPC reference is same as this one. It's common for both. Okay, and the bush is 026. So 026 is the bush. You can write the bush part number, bush, if it is needed. Normally we use the old one if condition is okay. Okay, so we got all the details: connector part number with reference, fin number, contact part number, the backshell part number with the bushing, and also the AMM reference. And I showed you in the manual from where we have to refer. Even in this, for the assembly, they are giving you the bush assembly reference, the backshell assembly reference, connector assemblance, the sealing plug reference, everything. So this connector, we completed everything like this. We are back on Rolls Royce engine Trent 700. In this part we'll take example for this exciter box. We are in fan area. The fin number is 4000 Eco Hotel 1 Alpha, and the wire number is 1 Foxtrot 003. We'll check the part number for this system today.